In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lightboxes or pop-ups in Wix. Lightboxes are a fantastic way to grab your visitors' attention and convey important information or prompt them to take a specific action. They're like digital billboards that you can easily incorporate into your site. Let's walk through each step to create one. First, head over to your Wix website editor. This is your central hub for designing and managing your site's appearance and functionality. Once you're logged in and in the editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll be revisiting this space often, so understanding where everything is can really streamline your design process. Next, look over to the left-hand panel and click on Add Elements. This section is where you'll find a variety of items you can add to your site, ranging from simple text boxes to more complex features like galleries or buttons. Scroll through the list until you find interactive. This area is particularly useful for adding engaging, responsive elements that react to user interaction. Inside the interactive section, you'll see the option for Lightboxes. Click on it. These are customizable pop-ups you can tailor to fit your site's aesthetic and needs. You'll notice there's a selection of pre-designed templates available. Choose any template that catches your eye. Remember, the template is just a starting point. You'll have the opportunity to personalize it to align with your brand's style. For this tutorial, let's go with the Announcements We're Back template. It's a versatile choice, great for highlighting news, promotions, or updates. Once selected, the template will be added to your site's pages. Now let's delve a little deeper. Click on Manage Lightboxes, which gives you powerful options to set how and when your lightbox appears. This feature is crucial for ensuring your lightbox displays under the right circumstances, whether it's when a user first enters your site, a few seconds after they've navigated through, or any other trigger you choose. Speaking of triggers, click on Set Triggers for a more detailed setup. Here you can define specific actions that will make the lightbox appear. This might be scroll depth, time spent on the page, or even specific user interactions. Setting the right trigger ensures your message pops at the most opportune moment. As you finalize your design and settings, click on Layout to adjust how the lightbox appears on the page. You can move it around, resize it, and ensure it displays perfectly across different devices. Finally, before pushing this live, be sure to click on Preview. This will give you a chance to see the lightbox in action exactly as it will appear to your visitors. It's always a good idea to test and make any necessary adjustments here. And there you have it. A fully functional, customized lightbox ready to engage your site visitors and steer them toward meaningful actions. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy editing.